DC is perking up. The restaurants and shops are ready for you. Today I'm taking you to Streetery. Stay tuned. Greetings, I'm Sean, and I create videos to help you walk with confidence, explore new places, and live life without regrets. If you're new here, consider subscribing. DC created a pilot program called Streetery, which allows the traffic to be blocked off in neighborhoods so that businesses can extend their dining into the streets. And what neighborhood did they start with first? Of course, the historic neighborhood of Adams Morgan. Let's go and check out Streetery. After you watch this video, click the link above to watch my Adams Morgan walking tour during quarantine. Totally different. Adams Morgan is the place to come for live entertainment, ethnic food, eclectic shops, beautiful row houses, and the neighborhood is connected to DuPont Circle, Mount Pleasant, Columbia Heights. Keep watching to see how we really get down in Adams Morgan. On the weekends in the evening, you do not want to drive through Adams Morgan. Just take a taxi. The streets are full, the bands are playing, and it is vibrant all the way live. This is 18th Street, the heart of Adams Morgan. The community has campaigned for years to have this street turned into a pedestrian zone. If you've partied in Adams Morgan over the years, you've had a jumbo slice pizza to soak you back into soberness. How you doing? This is the Adams Morgan I know. I could feel the music, I feel the spirit, the vibe, and whenever there's live music, you know what's next. Go, go! Shout out to the Crush Funk BrassBand, bringing life to the city through music. Okay now fellas, let's get this party started.
And it broke it down to some go-go now. You know they gotta throw in some go-go, yeah.
I wanted to show you what DC is doing to revitalize the business district. If Streetery pilot program is successful, they'll move it to other neighborhoods, and I think they will do that. Let me know in the comments what's happening in your city. Is it open? What phases the restaurants dining in and out? Have you dined in a restaurant yet? I have not dined inside or outside. I've ordered takeout, but I don't know if I'm ready yet. We'll see. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, thumbs up, and share this video. Follow me on Instagram at Queen of the District for my day-to-day happenings around the city. Be sure to hit the bell for notification of my next video. Until next time, peace.